Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the Rode Wireless Pro mics and the Interview Go accessory. I will go over specs, features, and provide audio samples. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a charging case and a case for your accessories. You get a textured hard charging case for the microphones. On the back, you have the status button to see the overall charge, the charge LED, and USB-C charge port. Opening up the case, you get two microphones and the receiver. The slots are labeled for the receiver and transmitter, so you know where to place them when charging. Looking at the other case, it holds all the accessories. You have the USB-C to Lightning, USB-C to USB-C, 3.5mm audio cable, and the charging cable. You also get two magnet clips for the microphones. You get a cleaning cloth, two lavalier mics, and the lavalier accessories. And you also get the windscreens. Going over some specs, these are wireless microphones operating at 2.4 GHz. It comes with two microphones and one receiver. Max operating range is 853 feet. Omnidirectional polar pattern. Battery life is 7 hours for the microphones and receiver, and it takes 2.5 hours to charge. The charging case has an additional 14 hours of runtime, and it also takes 2.5 hours to charge. It has a 4200 mAh battery. Each transmitter has a 32 gig internal memory for over 40 hours of onboard recording. 32-bit float onboard recording for recovering clipped or quiet audio files. Timecode capabilities for quick and easy audio sync in post-production. Features and settings can be managed with the app and desktop software, and you can retrieve your audio files as well. The main thing to note with the Wireless Pro is the 32-bit float onboard recording. Looking at the transmitter, it has the branding on the front and it has a glossy finish. The side has the branding as well. On the bottom, you have the power button and the LED. The front LED on the top, you have the connectivity LED and the onboard record LED. On the top, you have the record button, the microphone, the 3.5mm input for the lavalier mic. Turning on the 32-bit float recording is just a matter of pressing the record button and the LED will turn red. You can also adjust the option in the app to automatically turn on. And here you can see the clip that will attach to your clothes, or you can use the magnet option that comes with it. Here are the transmitters side by side. The receiver is the same size and form factor as the transmitters. On the front, you have the LCD display and you can see the connection status for each of the transmitters. You also have the branding on the top. On the side, you have the USB input and the 3.5mm TRRS connector. The bottom, you have the power button. And on the top, you have the navigation buttons. And here on the back, you can see the mount for the cold shoe. Looking at the left and right button, you can adjust the gain on the receiver. You can set the gain modes for camera, headphone, and headset as well. And here's a look at how the transmitters connect when they're powered on. You can also adjust the gain assist from auto to dynamic so you can have a more consistent sound depending on the environment. More features and settings are accessible via the app. And this is how to attach the windscreen on the transmitter. You just twist it on and you twist it off. And as mentioned earlier, Rode has the Interview Go accessory. It comes with a foam windscreen. You can just slide the transmitter on the top. It gives the transmitter more of a microphone look and a longer handle for interviews. Alright, now I'm going to do an audio test. I'm at the soccer field. I'll just go down the field and see the range and the quality. I have the Wireless Pro attached to the Interview Go. Alright, so let's see how it does. Alright, I'm going to start walking back, probably a quarter into the field here. This is the audio from the Wireless Pro microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now I'm about a quarter into the field here. Hopefully you can hear the audio. This is the Wireless Pro mic. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to go midfield. It's probably going to break up as I turn because it does require that line of sight. So walking down the field here. Testing 1, 2, 3. I have my back turned against. Testing 1, 2, 3. Almost halfway down the field here. Okay, I'm at halfway down the field. This is the audio from the Rode Wireless Pro microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Hopefully you can hear the audio. I'm going to turn my back around and see if it picks it up or if it gets cut off. Okay, turning. Now I'm turning towards the receiver, So hopefully you can hear the audio. All right, I'm at the end of the soccer field. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is the Rode Wireless Mic Pro. Hopefully you can hear the audio still. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is the Rode Wireless Mic Pro. All right, making my way back to the camera. So if the audio was not audible, now it should be picking up for sure as I'm making my way back to the receiver here. Okay, I'm about halfway in the field now, almost back to the camera. Definitely can hear the audio for sure now. I do have the windscreen on the transmitter. It's a little bit windy, so hopefully that's blocking out a lot of the noise. Okay, so that's a quick test of the audio and the range of the Wireless Pro. So hopefully, you got a good sense of its capabilities. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.